sea monk. Once upon a time, in a summer, fishermen were feeding fish in the sea, but for some matter what, they can hardly catch fish today. It can't be helped. Shall we go more offshore? That's right. With this, it won't be a savement. If you move the ship offshore there, you can catch the fish in an interesting way this time. So while I was absorbed in taking it, the sun went down completely. Come on. I'm going home today. Having said that, when the fishermen were put away suddenly something like a shaved head emerged from the waves. Oh, it's out. It's a sea monk. All the fishermen trembled. What are you blurting about? Let's get on the boat quickly and run to the beach. When the fishermen came to their senses at the boatman's words, they began to row the boat hard. However, Keibozu also came swimming and put his hands on the side of the ship, and I say it in a horrible voice. The shadow. Give me a shadow. Give me a shap. Okay, I'll do it now. When one of the fishermen tried to pass the slap, the boatman quickly punched through the bottom of the slap and threw it as far as possible from the boat. I'm going to do my best now. On the other hand, the sea monk chased the ladle that was thrown far away, but when he noticed that the bottom of the ladle was missing. How dare you deceive me? Wait. And I chased the ship with great momentum. However, when the ship arrived at the beach in the nick of time, everyone ran up to the beach, so I can't do anything about the sea monk who can't get out of the sea. The sea monk was looking at the fisherman with envy for a while, but eventually he went somewhere. Oh, it was horrible. But why did you pull out the bottom of the javel and throw it far away? When one of the fishermen asked, the boatman answered like this. It will happen in the future, so remember it well. If you give the ladle with the bottom as the sea monk says at that time, the sea monk will pump the sea water into the ship with the ladle and sink the ship in the end. That said, if you don't hand over the ladle, the sea monk will get angry and destroy the ship. That's why I'm going to give you a shave that pulled out the bottom. Hearing that, the fisherman trembled even more. The end.